thanks for stopping by. Thanks for giving us a watch. Weekend episode, and you never guess it, it's raining. So, besides that, it was a pretty good weekend. Make sure you tune in and find out. If you could, drop us a like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. It helps us get our stuff out to more people. So, thank you so much. Hope you're having a great Monday and enjoy the show. Well, good morning. Happy Saturday, and welcome to Beck Ranch Park, a public area with good stories and strong ties in old Florida. Volusia County hopes you will enjoy both the park facilities and the chance to glimpse our region's rural past. Well into the 20th century, the land was a working cattle ranch. It had animals descending from the early Spanish days, people doing special jobs in ranch structures that are mostly missing today. What does survive offers reminder that Florida was, and in places still is, cattle country. Oh my God, well, that was horrible reading, but y'all be with me. It's early. It's hot. Did I mention it's 90 degrees and it's 9:30 in the morning? Beck Ranch has become something else. Through big trees and hints of open space remained. The ranch stopped operating years ago, and some good stories vanished too. All the old people I could ask, said the former ranch hand, are not here anymore. All right, well, there you go. There you go. And we are here? Yeah, the grain silo. So, oh boy, we're gonna go walk around, see what this place has to offer, see what we can do here, see how well kept up stuff is. And we're gonna start down that way. That's where we're parked. It is already scorching today. Scorching. All right, come walking up on something here. Some kind of stable. Is that the word we're gonna use for this? Is this the road to come right back up? We found a couple things so far. I wanted to show you guys this. Looks pretty neat, huh? I just seen some trash in there. It's gonna be getting to it. Look at that old plate. Oh yeah, that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. Especially when you have like historical stuff like this. Just keep your trash out of it. It's cool. Well, that's cool. I'm glad that we were able to get that out of there. Glad we were able to get that out of there. I don't want to get too sidetracked here. Oh, that is the court. This isn't very big. I thought maybe like I was getting myself in trouble because I didn't bring any water with me, but it doesn't seem to be very large. All right, livestock pen and scales. Boy, if I'm not going very far, this thing's starting to fill up pretty quick. Another piece of cardboard in there. Oh, paper bag. But it's a beautiful park. Look at that, some beach courts. I used to play beach volleyball at one point in my life. Believe it or not, I'm a two-time Bay State gold medalist. Yeah, I used to play a lot of volleyball in high school. A lot of volleyball. I've been a ball boy for the AVP. Used to play a lot of beach volleyball. I wasn't any good. Looking back on it now, I thought I was good, but I really wasn't all that good. But I got like all the local paper all-stars from like my sophomore year on. Look at this. So yeah, I used to be able to jump. I used to be able to do some stuff. But it was a lot of fun. I enjoy competing. I always tried to play with a lot of heart. So it was a mostly good experience. A little crazy, but mostly good. All right, well, that's story time with JM5K. So we'll be back. There you go. That's worth bringing you back. A little diaper action. Yes, Doesn't look like there's any poop schmoop in there, so we're good. All right, I think there's a little like trail loop, so park was a little smaller than I expected, so we might as well walk around this thing, see where it takes us, see if there's anything back here, see if there's any wildlife, anything that we can say, oh, whoa, 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 easy with the camera. Say like, oh, how cute, or maybe want to run. You know, we want to stay over in this area though. All right, well, we were just right there. So we'll work our way back down this way. Aluminum of the day, bush light. There's still some yuck juice in there. Oh, I think we're gonna have to go over the rail. Good thing we got this head camera on. Dun 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 dun. Bow bow. See any animals? See any snakies? All right, we're out of here. What do we got here? Is there even a plaque? Oh, this tells you a little bit of something about them. The Becks and their ranch. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of cool. This was all working, and yeah, pretty neat. It's a pretty nice little park. That has fallen, probably through one of the hurricanes, something like that. I think there's a sign for it over there. And oh man, couldn't handle it. Sad. Yeah, that's some heavy iron right there. People leave these cans out for the cats. There must be wild cats around here. Let's go see what this thing says. It just says cattle country. Florida cowboy. Even you can be a Florida cowboy. That is not safe. All right, well, we walked this whole park area. We're back where we started, so we're gonna load up and go. All right, 14 ounces, if you can see it, just under a pound. Right, good morning. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. For me, it's a Sunday. For you, it's a Monday. We're starting off with a chair. That's been we kept that thing out all weekend. I've been driving by it, see if anybody else has come snatched anything up. We are gonna need a thing, almost looks new. We're gonna need a pretty good morning run, because we did not do anything yesterday. Woo, it's 7:30, let's go. Good morning. Be on the move, stay on the move. I do feel pretty good that I don't think there was any scrappers running my neighborhood yesterday. So we're doing a good job on that front. keeping all the other riffraff out. And I mean riffraff in the kindest, gentlest way. Big hugs to all my other scrappers out there. Unless you're doing my neighborhoods, then we're not so friendly. Let's fill this thing up. Fill it up. Say it with me. Fill it up. It's a pretty good little hit right here. This may even be, this thing looks halfway decent enough that may mechanic special this thing. You know? Sure, if I put this up on, I mean, look at that. That looks decent enough. Mechanic special. Trying not to be too loud and crazy yet. Once again, it's not even 8 a.m. on a Sunday. Sunday. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Some nice chairs, some nice aluminum chairs. I like that. Also, with a chair, you know the gig around here. Maybe you don't know. Maybe you're new. I'm new. I've never been around here before. Well, what we do when we get a chair, that's when you go to work by smashing that like and subscribe button. And what a mess do I have going on here. But have no fear. Oh, jeez. All right, I'll bring you back. All right. Time to play everybody's favorite scrapping game. Is it stinky or is it not? Oh, that's a big knot. And that's a big knot. It is not. Cool. Let's get her loaded up. This one we hooked it under the handle. We'll see if that's an issue or not. We shall see what happens. Oh, watch out for the top juice. Gotta watch out for the top juice. All right, so far so good. Oh, I never put the gate down. Dude. We were just talking about this the other day. Literally the other day. We just said this. Gotta put the gate down. That way you don't have to do this twice. We do it right because we do it twice. Oh, wow. There was no grunting. That one was just holding my breath. Woo, all right. Cool, man. She's not even stinky at all. You guys go back in there, please. Thank you. Nice. So I believe these are aluminum. So that'll be something. Ooh, that thing just caught me right in the eye. That'll be one more thing going to El Jefe. Boom, very good. Oh. Oh. Not very good. Not very good. Oh, back to being just fine. It's cool. Perfect. All right, little trap. Wonder if this thing still works or what its deal is. Either way, get in. Okay, so we're back. We went and got that water heater. We already got the fridge unloaded. Lily's out. She's saying hi. This generator, I think, is going to make us some money. So my buddy Brian seen it and automatically he was interested. So I told him we're trying to sell it first. So I'm going to put out a marketplace ad today and see if we can sell it by the end of this episode. I'm not holding my breath, but it'll be a fun little game we can play. The sun's finally out. People are starting up. I can start to get amped up a little bit, so let's go. Oh, that's kind of first neighborhood morning run. I don't even know if it's 10 o'clock yet. We're all emptied up. This thing is really starting to get on my nerves because I got to move it so much. I don't want to send it to the yard, but I'm starting to get aggravated with it. This thing we're going to post right now and we'll keep you updated. Hoping on a quick flip. I'm going to push it a little bit with pricing. I'm going to price it high. And then I definitely don't mind taking best offer on things. So we'll see what it comes out to. See what it comes up with. This thing is in the same boat. Starting to aggravate me. All right, well, I'm gonna take care of this and then we'll see you guys back out on the next run. All right, boom. It's sold. Already done. 150 bucks. So not a bad deal for us. Not a bad deal at all. Never even had to touch it. Don't have to do anything with it, and boom. 150 bucks in our pocket. Sounds good. I'm into that. Let's go find another one. All right, here we are. Welcome back. Second run. That one there. We just got that. Had some camera issues like always. Hey, look at what we got. Oh, that is rusty crusty. I'll take some pictures, but I don't know if anybody's gonna be on this one. We will definitely have to see. But sometimes these are just like, oh, the board is worth more money than the... That's why I gotta... Especially our new guy, he's into that kind of stuff. Taking boards around, because they're actually an appliance shop. Not something I'm into, but who knows? I say that now. Well, what we're not gonna do is steal all the metal. We're gonna take all the stuff that we can physically grab without breaking anything. Although, we just may start doing more shorts of break it, sell it, or donate it. So, we may get into snatching more of this glass. Not at this second, but there may be something for the future. See how it goes. Always time for cardio. All right. We had to get that little cardio shot in real quick. And now we're gonna try to wrestle this thing up on the trailer. It's not being, see? It's not being all that cooperative. It's not playing right. Not playing well with others. Ugh, this thing's literally like up in my neck. But she seems heavy. So, we like heavy. Heavy is good. Let's go finish up this neighborhood. Woo, see what else we can get. Oh, yep. Here we go. Another grill. I like that. I may have, found a grill guy too who takes grills. I got a grill guy now who gives me grills, but he doesn't rebuild. I think I found a guy who rebuilds grills. Builds the rebuilds on the grills. Pick this little thing up, this little number. You wouldn't believe it, that grill that we got, the washing machine that we got last week, that was like, oh, Mario will probably want that. If not, my other guy would definitely want it. Mario said no. My other guy was like, send me some serial numbers, I don't know. And I'm just sitting here with my chin on the ground. I'm like, wow, this thing looks clean. But that's why I'm not in the washing machine business, folks. Look what we got, a little delivery action waiting for us. We're gonna try to stack this thing real quick and then figure it out. All right, I wanted to come on and answer a question that was posed in the comments about why I stack stuff on the side of the house. Mostly it's just a weekend thing. Every once in a while, like on Wednesday of last week when I had a plumbing job, so I definitely wanted to get out to that early because dealing with this sun is like, forget about it. So that was the biggest reason why we unstacked that day. But most of the time over the weekend, it's just because we do up to 3 loads on a weekend. Most of the time, about 2 loads on the weekend. And then we'd load up for our first load going in on Monday, if that makes sense. So it's just that there's so much going on Sundays. Like if the yard was open, I would absolutely love to just bring it right in, but that isn't real. So when things aren't real, can't do that. Look at this thing, what a beast. So we have to stack it because we do, I don't know, I don't want to say, probably a good 20 to 30% of our business on the weekends, depending on what kind of weekend it is, depending on how much we work, you know, all the intangibles, depending on how much we can get in there, how much can stack, all the fun stuff. But that's why we do it. It's because Sunday is such a busy day. I wish I didn't have to unload. I really wish I didn't have to unload most of the time, but that's life sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta unload and reload. That's getting picked up in a little bit. It'll probably be the last time you guys see her. It was fun spending time with that generator. I don't know. I don't know if that thing's gonna go either. I could take a picture of it, but starting off, second run. We've gotten a couple of these before. All right, that could stay in there. They're always fun. Maybe we'll be able to stuff it. Stuff a bunch of stuff in there. Here we go. Look at that thing. All right, I think we're gonna take this, but it is heavy. I don't know what the best way to get it all over there is. Oh. I think what we're gonna need to do is pull the truck right up. I didn't even have time. I didn't have time. I had to get this off and over and good. This thing is a beast. It is a beast. And I think it's mostly all this metal. I don't think it is all the other. This piece of board that's in there. Either way, it's gonna make this this load a lot more interesting. Things just got a lot more interesting, folks. My mom's gonna be happy. She needed some bins, so that is a good deal. That's an A+, Mavis. All right, we'll take this then. Oh man, I forgot about this. Oh boy. Oh, I don't even know. What are we even gonna do? I mean, oh look, it's just individual boards. So that ain't really even the heavy. The heavy is all this other stuff. What a mess. These feel awful metalish. You can see how far up we can work it. Move this stuff over. Chair can stay. This fan is all plastic. What are we talking with this one? I don't know. This thing's mostly all plastic too. This can definitely come with those. Coca-Cola stuff can definitely come with those. People love their Coca-Cola. Oh, it's broken. Never mind. Womp womp. Otherwise, it would have been super cool. We'll definitely take the lawnmower. These look like some kind of ground stakes or something. Throw in the wrapper. And we'll take the bicycle. Alright, we're gonna load this up. See you in the next segment. It's funny, I was gonna send my mom a picture, but she watches the show, so Mama, look. 3, bing bang boom. All seem to be in good condition. Check, check, and check. We're in it. We're in it to win it, Mama. Snake, see the snake? What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, snake? Everybody's favorite game. Is it stinky or is it not? And it is not. No stank stank. All right. Oh no, she's a little stinky. Yep. We just got that effervescence wind. Yeah, she got a little stank to her. All right, let's we're gonna load this thing. And for this, seems entertaining enough. This thing is heavy. This bed. I'm trying to maneuver everything so that I could fit my stinky fridge in there. But I'm not sure how this is all gonna work out. Uh-oh. This bed may do some serious damage to this lawnmower. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. All right, let's see. All right, no. All right, I can deal with that. I can deal with that. Come on. Don't play. Even that, it's a little foot thing. If you can get that foot rolling that wheel forward, you're in it, kid. You're in, PP. All right, look at us go. All right, we've been pulling these bad boys up, and most of the time that's what I'm gonna keep doing. But not today. Not today. Not with this one. Not yet. Maybe another one that they take. I don't even know. Is it raining? It's starting to rain. Why would you do that? They're in business. All right, we got to think of what we're gonna do here. Do we keep trying to load in from the side, or do we start just loading on top of that thing? I could really use some help right now, some insight, some what we should do. I think the only logical thing to do is to start stacking. Oh, I'm sorry. Just start stacking these things on the sides. Ready? Up. Maybe we can get with that with our lawnmower guy. No gloves would have saved me from that. Sorry about being in your way, sir. No, you're good, man. Awesome, thank you. Finger is damaged. I pinched it. I pinched it. I pinched it. Pinched it. It's blood. It's always blood. Seems like a pretty common theme in my life. Blood. Ow. Just pinched my leg. All right. Wow, I gotta tell you, that finger thing that just happened, oh my goodness, that was some pain. I thought maybe my finger was broke for a second or something. Woo, had me breathing all kind of crazy, but we're good. We're good. We're back now, I think. I think it's done. It's ran its course. So hey, we found a bike, and I'm gonna take some pictures of these lawnmowers and see if my lawnmower guy wants to jump right on it. That's for the trash? Yeah, my guy. Thank you, man. All right, let me figure out how in the world I'm even gonna get this on there. We are filling right up today. We are gonna be overfilled here soon enough. So that's fun. Yeah, not too bad. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Right? Have a good day, man. The skies look like they're gonna open. We may run. We may run. If it starts downpouring, we got enough on this trailer that we may run back towards the house and retreat. And retreat, white flag a waving. Thing. Is this an electrical little unit here? What do you got going on here? It's the Blue Clean. You guys think I could sell this? I'm in a selling mood today. That generator got me in a... I mean, that thing still looks pretty clean. Oh, this bed. This bed. Nuisance. What it is. It's a nuisance bed. I mean, oh, and it like... I don't even know what it does. I bet you somebody who repairs them and fixes them says, I could fix that. No problem. All right, well, look at us go. I'm gonna try to put that somewhere else. I stink. Oh boy, here we go. Oh boy, we are gonna have to start making decisions about our time together here pretty quickly, because, I'm not sure. This ain't too bad. We're gonna run a little bit longer. We'll see what happens. I would like to get our whole route done. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, everybody, that's a day. It's raining. I am not gonna unload in the rain. I am gonna go eat real quick. It's only supposed to be about an hour or so. So I'm just gonna hunker down, let the rain go, and then it'll be pop back out for number 3. Hopefully both of these lawnmowers will sell. We're that big old bed, I'm sure that's going to be a nightmare to move around, but overall not too bad. I would like to stay out a little bit longer. Maybe we'll just pick up where we left off on the way back. So yeah, overall not too bad. Not too bad of a weekend. We didn't do more with the parks either. Yesterday I was just beat. That sun got to me in the morning, that heat, whatever it was, I was just done. So I camped out the rest of the day. All right, it's everybody's favorite time of the day. Quote of the day, quote of the day, quote of the quote of the day. Bring it up here real quick. Should already have this prepared. You pray for rain, you got to deal with mud too. That's part of it. That's it. That's the saying. You pray for rain, you got to deal with the mud too. That's part of it. By Denzel Washington. And that's very true. You know, some people say be careful what you pray for, be careful what you wish for. But even with your goals and your dreams, there's going to be downsides to it. You know, you're going to have your good sides, but the downsides are part of it too. So you got to be able to take the punches, roll with it, get beat up a little bit, and still come out on top. Never lose track of your sight, of your goal. So yeah, that's a pretty cool little saying. All right, we're making it kind of quick today. This is going to be a quick one. Rain's already starting to maybe calm down a little bit. I'm kind of itchy to get back out there. But yeah, so thank you to everybody for stopping by. Get by all of our friends, the Men in Black, Nacho Stuff, the Packer Scrapper, and then me, myself, Junkman 5000. You can get all of our Junkman 5000 stuff at junkman5000.com. You can hit us up on Facebook at Junkman 5000. Or your junk in our trunk. Hit us up on Twitter at the Junkman 5000, or you can hit us up on TikTok at Junkman 5000. So, bada bing. Also, Ironbeard Yoga, Sugar Bee Cookie Company. Non-fair is Jeff. How come Jeffy wasn't it? El Jeffy. You can't forget about El Jeffy. Get over to his channel. Kaden and Addie's Fun Adventures, everybody else, you the team, Team Lift, you guys are the best. Really appreciate you guys. I'm gonna go eat. I'm kind of hungry. That's a video. That's a weekend. Wrap it up. Thank you so much. There is no us without you. Team Lift, y'all the best. See you in the next one.